In the heart of Malaysia's automotive evolution, the Proton Myvi emerges from the shadows as a symbol of transformation. No longer just a city hatchback, but a cinematic masterpiece reborn with darkness, smoke, and light. The Proton Myvi Dark Edition radiates with fierce personality, standing as a modern Malaysian icon of precision, performance, and art. Under the red glow of its eyes like headlights, it feels alive, pulsing with energy as if breathing through the smoky air that wraps around its sleek frame. Every inch of its aerodynamic design whispers of power and control, reshaped for the future while staying rooted in its national pride. From the front view, the Proton Myvi commands respect. The glowing red headlights pierce through the night like laser eyes, giving the car an almost sentient presence. Its grille, redesigned with fine black mesh and chrome outlines, exudes aggression and class in perfect harmony. The body's sculpted lines reflect every shimmer of light and shadow, highlighting its precision engineering. The dark background amplifies its silhouette, making the Myvi look like a predator waiting to strike. Smoke drifts lightly around its base, revealing the car's shape as beams of cinematic lighting roll across its surface, emphasizing every contour and metallic curve. As the perspective shifts to the back side, the story deepens. The rear lights burn crimson, glowing with intensity as if powered by passion and purpose. Dual exhaust accents underline its sporty DNA, while a subtle spoiler enhances the aerodynamic flow. In the reflection of the glossy black paint, red smoke dances, symbolizing speed and mystery. It's not just a car. It's an experience, a vision of how Malaysia sees the future of driving. Elegant, fierce, and emotionally charged. The left side profile continues the visual poetry. The Myvi's design lines, smooth yet bold, stretch along the doors like brushstrokes of shadow and light. Red smoke trails behind, adding motion even when the car stands still. Every detail, from the black alloy rims to the shimmering side mirrors, tells a story of precision craftsmanship. The red reflections bouncing off the ground create an aura that feels otherworldly, a sense that this Myvi isn't simply parked, but poised between dimensions of style and strength. From the right side, the Proton Myvi becomes even more cinematic. A focused beam of light cuts through darkness, revealing its curves and edges with artistic clarity. The red and white glows merge, forming a visual rhythm that mirrors a heartbeat, steady, powerful, unstoppable. This perspective celebrates balance between elegance and aggression, technology and soul, innovation and identity. The Proton Myvi stands not just as a car, but as a symbol of how far Malaysian engineering has come, bold enough to challenge expectations, yet humble enough to keep its roots intact. Inside the cabin, the atmosphere transforms into a world of immersive technology and design. The interior side glows with red ambient lighting, washing over soft touch panels and modern displays. The steering wheel sits at the center like a command hub, surrounded by digital instruments and a driver-focused layout. The cinematic red glow gives the cabin an intense, futuristic mood, the kind that makes you want to start the engine just to feel the thrill of control. Every button and surface is illuminated with purpose, guiding the driver's senses through precision and passion. In this space, luxury meets emotion, not through extravagance, but through design that understands what drivers feel. The top view offers a commanding perspective. From above, the Myvi's proportions reveal perfect symmetry, a balance of art and aerodynamics. Red reflections roll across the roof and bonnet, like waves of energy, while the halo of light surrounding it forms a dramatic aura. It's the image of control, grace, and strength combined. The smoke below forms a cinematic mist, giving the car a floating presence, as if it's ready to rise beyond the road itself. Under that glow, the Myvi becomes a vision of future mobility wrapped in the language of cinematic darkness. Then comes the heart, the close-up engine view. Beneath the hood lies the pulse of performance, highlighted by a crimson glow that breathes through metallic veins. The mechanical artistry of Proton's engineering shines under a red-lit haze, where every bolt, cable, and cover gleams like it was crafted for a movie scene. The engine doesn't just power the car, it defines its character. It symbolizes strength, reliability, and innovation, the traits that have made Proton a name synonymous with Malaysia's automotive pride. The smoke curls upward like energy being released, symbolizing raw power ready to ignite the road ahead. Altogether, these 7 perspectives form more than just images, they tell a story. The Proton Myvi Dark Edition is an artistic reinvention of a national favorite, crafted to merge realism with fantasy. It brings together elements of cinema and engineering, blending emotion with precision in every line and reflection. The red eyes headlights, the flowing smoke, the balance of shadow and light, all represent the dual nature of modern driving: emotion and control, beauty and performance, power and peace. In a world where cars often blend into similarity, the Proton Myvi Dark Edition dares to stand apart. It speaks to those who see their vehicle as more than transportation, to those who view driving as expression. This Myvi is a dream cast in metal, a statement of confidence for the streets of Kuala Lumpur and beyond. Every curve glows under the red light of ambition, every detail forged with Malaysian craftsmanship. It's not just the future of Proton. It's the symbol of a nation stepping boldly into the cinematic age of motion.